Okay, so serotonin is another classical neurotransmitter, one of those that was identified early. It's also a monoamine neurotransmitter, which means it's got one amino group and it is synthesized from a widely available raw material known as an amino acid. But it's not, however, a catecholamine because it is not synthesized as dopamine and norepinephrine are from tyrosine, which has a catechol ring, but instead serotonin is synthesized from an amino acid called tryptophan, which has a different kind of ring structure. It's called an indole ring. So serotonin is sometimes also referred to as an indolamine. But tryptophan is converted in neurons that release serotonin. These are called serotonergic neurons by two synthesizing enzymes into serotonin. So the first synthesizing enzyme grabs onto tryptophan and converts it into an intermediate product that's called 5-HTP. And then a second synthesizing enzyme in serotonergic neurons will grab onto the 5-HTP and convert it into serotonin. Now, serotonin is we call it serotonin because actually most of the serotonin is in the blood, in the peripheral nervous system, in the periphery of the body. It tones the blood, right? It has to do with the dilation of the blood vessels. But the sort of abbreviation for serotonin is based on its chemical name, which is 5-hydroxytryptamine. So it's often called 5-HT. Again, 5-HT is a classical neurotransmitter, discovered early. It is a monoamine neurotransmitter. It's manufactured from an amino acid, so it is a single amino group, and it's an indolamine, not a catecholamine like dopamine and norepinephrine, because it's actually manufactured from the amino acid tryptophan,